In this video, we'll show you how to apply to Olympic College using the online admissions application. Visit the How to Apply to Olympic College website for information and instructions. Click the Apply Now button. This will take you to the Washington State online admission application and can be used to apply to any community or technical college in the state. If you have previously applied to another institution, you can log in using your username and password. As a first-time user, you will click Create an Account. Create a unique username and password, and be sure to write them down because you will use these credentials to log into the online admissions application. Enter your legal name and information as it appears on your state-issued identification. Click Submit. After clicking Submit, you will be prompted to enter security questions. Click Submit. At this point, a one-time password will be emailed to you. Navigate to your email to retrieve the 4-digit code, which you will enter on the pop-up window. Click Submit OTP. After submitting your one-time password, you will be prompted to log in to the Olympic College online application form. Click Log In here. Log in using the username and password you just created. Click Log In. Click Close. Select Olympic College from the alphabetical list of colleges. Working left to right, top to bottom, select your admit type from the I will be enrolling as a drop-down menu. Choose First Year if you have not attended college previously. Choose Reapplying if you have attended Olympic College previously and have been gone for more than 1 year. Choose Running Start if you are a high school junior or senior and intend to enroll in high school dual enrollment programs. Select Transfer if you've previously attended college and intend to bring college credit with you to Olympic College. Next, select your program. Choose Academic if you intend to complete an associate degree and transfer to a university. Choose Baccalaureate if you are interested in applying to an Olympic College bachelor's degree program and have already completed your associate degree. Choose Non-Award Seeking if you are enrolling for personal enrichment and do not intend to complete a degree or certificate. Choose Professional Technical if you plan to pursue a degree or certificate in a hands-on program like culinary arts, nursing, or welding. Choose Transitional Studies if you plan to pursue pre-college coursework, such as high school completion or English as a second language. Select the term in which you intend to start taking classes at Olympic College. Next, indicate the specific degree or certificate you intend to complete. Choose the closest option to your plan, and keep in mind, you can always change this later. Olympic College does not use the academic focus area field, so you can leave this blank. Next, click Apply to complete your application. Complete each of the 6 sections listed in the left navigation of the screen. Required responses are indicated by a red asterisk. Completed sections are indicated by a green check mark. Some information is pre-populated from when you created your username and password. Your social security number is not required to complete the application, but you are encouraged to provide it to speed up processing of your application. If you go by a nickname or a name that is not your legal name, please enter your preferred first name. You can provide additional phone numbers or email addresses by clicking the green Add New button. After all of the required responses have been entered, click Next to advance to the next section. Under High School Information, enter the most recent high school you attended or graduated from and the approximate attendance dates. Choose the high school completion status of what it will be when you start taking classes at Olympic College. Add the colleges you have previously attended, or leave blank if you have not attended college before. Provide race and ethnicity data. Residency responses are important because it determines your tuition rate. Answer all questions accurately and honestly. The college may follow up for verification after you apply. After completing all of the required sections, you can review and submit your application. You will need to indicate that all of your answers are true and accurate to the best of your ability. Congratulations! You have successfully submitted the online admission application to Olympic College. You will receive your admission acceptance email at the address you provided in about a week. Welcome to Olympic College.